Welcome everyone to the third episode of the X-Prize tutorial series. Today's episode is devoted to drug shortages. Let's say you're looking for new opportunities in the pharmaceutical market and want to identify countries with drug shortages for potential imports. For this demonstration, we'll use Finland as an example. You can use predefined tag shortage. Since we are interested in drug shortages in Finland, apply filter for the country. Select Finland and ensure all relevant databases are chosen. Click on this blue search button. Now you can view all the drug shortages in Finland. Suppose you want to identify the most expensive drugs. Scroll to the right to find the retail price with VAT. Now you can arrange the prices from the highest to lowest. Now you can see the shortage of the most expensive drugs in Finland. Of course, you can access even more information and data that I've shown you in this tutorial. If you're interested, do not hesitate to contact us. We'd be delighted to demonstrate all the features of our application. Thank you for watching until the end of the video. See you in the next X-Prize tutorial. Goodbye!